panel here, program to contact sensor. Do have my siren. So I'm going to go ahead by pressing the panic button on the control panel. So if the siren is already programmed, that would cause it to go off. You can see it's not programmed. I'm going to go ahead and take it, plug it in, unplug it, plug it in again, plug it in again. It's silent this time. We'll plug it in again. So basically we're looking for that double beep. You might have to do it a couple times as you saw. And we're going to go ahead and disarm it. You can see it's now responsive to the panel. So we'll go ahead and set the panel in home mode. I'm going to trigger the sensor here. Okay, so I've got the panel here, program to contact sensor.